How to download Planet Zoo on PC. Today we're diving into the exciting world of Planet Zoo. If you've always dreamed of running your own zoo and building habitats for incredible animals, then this is the perfect game for you. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to download Planet Zoo on PC and get started on your very own zoo empire. So let's get started. Open your web browser and simply search for Planet Zoo. Once you've found the Planet Zoo, simply scroll down a little bit and go to the STEM's official website. Now this is our Planet Zoo game. Scroll down a little bit to simply download the Planet Zoo game. Here you can find various options or edition of Planet Zoo. Simply choose the one that you prefer and tap on add to cart, and once you've done that, click on view my cart. Now all we need to do is simply tap on continue to payment. Simply add your payment method and purchase it. Once you've done that, all you need to do is download the game, and that's it. That's how you can simply successfully download Planet Zoo, and you're ready to start creating the zoo of your dreams.